everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sumana and I hope you all are doing great. This video is a fashion hack video and today's topic is how to make your t-shirt crop and stylish without cutting. So nowadays fashion hacks are so popular and it's all over the social media. So I also want to know how it works or not. Let's try them and find out.
Start with the simple one. In the first hack, I just took a corner of the tee and twisted like this. Now insert this through the belt loop and fixed it inside the jeans. And that's it. This hack is very easy and timeless. Since this t-shirt have a broad neckline, I take down its shoulder like this and I think it looks so cool and nice. Also I wear a tank top under the tee, and if you are like to wear one shoulder or if you are comfortable in one shoulder, then skip tank top. In second hack, take two corners of the tee and twist it and insert both sides one by one through the loop like this, and that's it. It already gives the bow effect. And personally I love this hack. It's so cute and easily doable for everyone. But for first two hacks you definitely have to wear any jeans or shorts, anything which have belt loop. Third hack is the easiest way to make your oversized tee into a fitted tee. Pull the tee at the middle and give a knot like this. You also do it any of the sides. Also make it more stylish, I fold its sleeve like this. This hack is most useful and it's make your whole look very stylish instantly. For the another hack, I wear the same tee. Now it's have a very nice print in back side, so I wear like this. Now first I tie it in front side and take all the excess fabric at the back, and now twist it like this and put it into the bottom part. Then I do the same with the sleeve, and that's it. Now anyone can't told you it's the same tee. Now fifth hack for those who love to wear crop tees. For that you just need two rubber bands, and now again take two corners up like this, and it's totally up to you as much you want to crop, and I took this much and tie it with a rubber band. Do it at another side as well and put them inside up and ready your crop t-shirt. In my next hack, I pick 2 points at the middle of the tee and then start to twist it. Now secure it with a rubber band inside. Then tuck the lower portion to make it crop and fix it with the rubber band at the back. And finally it looks like this. Last hack is quite fancy, and for this hack you need few bangles and rubber band. First take a bangle inside the tee and use a rubber band up to it to fix it like this. Your according as much as possible and tuck the end part into the bottom part. It looks so nice and it give a belt effect. Since it have a basic round neck, so I do the same thing at the neckline. This is the best hack to make your plain tee into a fancy one. Here is the another design I do. In this hack you show your creativity fully. Also do it at the loose sleeve to make it tight and fancy at the same time. That is it for today's video. Hope you find this video informative and helpful. If is it, give a like and comment down what your favorite hack and what you do with your loose t-shirt. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. And I see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye.